For the Gingerbread Man Earrings project, you'll need a Cricut cutting machine. I'll be using the Cricut Joy, but you could also use a Maker or an Explorer Air 2. You'll need a green cutting mat if you're using the Joy, and if you're using the Maker or the Explorer Air 2, you'll need a green mat and a purple mat. You'll need some tan faux leather, some white iron-on vinyl, some gold and red foil iron-on, and some light pink iron-on. You'll need some blue painter's tape, a weeding tool and scissors, a heat press, either an Easy Press Mini or an Easy Press with a pressing pad, and a Teflon sheet or a parchment paper cover sheet. You'll also need a 1/16 inch hole punch, flat nose pliers, earring hooks, and jump rings. Let me show you how to get the free Gingerbread Man earring SVGs from my blog's resource library. Head over to amyromeo.com, and on this top menu bar underneath resource library, click on get a password. There's a little form where you'll give me your email and your name, and I will automatically send you an email after you fill out that form with the password to the library. Then return here and click on resource library. You'll enter the password, and then you will be inside the library. All of my designs inside the library are numbered and named, so you are looking for design number 149. And I have it ready to go here. Here it is in the library, number 149. This blue link where it says Gingerbread Man Earrings, you will click there and the SVG will automatically download to your device. It will come in a zipped folder, so you'll need to unzip it before you can upload it to Cricut Design Space. To make this Gingerbread Man earring project, be sure you've downloaded the SVG cut file from my website and upload it to Cricut Design Space. Browse for the file you downloaded, click on it to select it, click Save, click on the image again, and click Insert Images. This will bring the design into your canvas in Cricut Design Space. If you'll be cutting this project using the Joy like I am, be sure that the Joy is your selected machine in the top right corner, and then click the Make It button. Select On Mat for how you will load the materials for this project, and click Done. Design Space will automatically separate the 4 layers for this project by color for you, and scroll down to the brown mat, which is the faux leather layer. We'll cut that layer first. Click Continue. And select Faux Leather Paper Thin as your material setting. If you don't have this setting as a favorite, you can click Browse All Materials and search for it to select it. Under the Pressure menu, select More. And now we're ready to cut. We'll prepare the mat and cut this first mat. Cut the faux leather to a size just slightly larger than the shapes that we'll cut, as shown in the mat preview in Cricut Design Space. To give this faux leather some structure and to add a finished look, I also cut a piece of foil iron-on just slightly smaller than the faux leather, and I will heat press the foil onto the faux leather before cutting. Use a piece of parchment paper or a Teflon sheet. I'm using the Easy Press Mini on the lowest setting, or you could use a heat press at 295 degrees. Firmly press all over. And then peel the clear transfer backing from the foil away from the faux leather. Use blue painter's tape to tape the faux leather foil side up on the Cricut Joy mat around all sides. And then load the mat into the Joy. Cricut Design Space will prompt you to press the Go button to begin the cut. Unload the mat and remove the shapes. And you can see there's faux leather on the front and the pretty foil on the back. We'll set these aside and we'll make the other cuts, and then we'll assemble the earrings. Cut the 3 remaining mats for this project as shown in the mat preview screen in Cricut Design Space. The white mat will cut from white iron-on. This mat will cut from the pink iron-on, and the red mat will cut from foil iron-on in red. Use the everyday iron-on setting for all 3 mats. Remove them from the machine and weed them and set them aside. Then we'll assemble the earrings. Now it's time to press the layers of the gingerbread man together using either an Easy Press Mini or an Easy Press set to 295 degrees. For the Easy Press Mini, I'm using the lowest temperature setting. The first layer to press is the white outline layer, and then I'll press the cheeks and the bow tie. Now the gingerbread earrings are ready for hole punching and earring hooks. The last step in this project is to punch earring holes at the top of the gingerbread men and attach the earring hooks. I suggest using a sharp tool like the weeding tool to mark where you want to punch the hole on these little guys so the hole is nice and centered. And the gingerbread men earrings are complete.